So the next game will be Tiny Dreams, and this was a game by AlexHicks. He was in chat yesterday, but to be honest, I'm not too sure if he is going to be about to play again. So let's have a little look. Because I asked him, I said I could play it yesterday while he was here, and then he disappeared. So we will just play it now, just in case he doesn't pop back. And this is something he's been working on in his own engine as well. So let's go ahead and extract this. I'm guessing we just run engine.exe. Lucky I trust Alex. There we go. Okay, press A to play. Is this a controller then? Should we give that a go? Okay, so this is a game called Tiny Dreams by AlexHicks. We just whack this like this. I don't know if we can go full screen. So there we go. Let's give this a go. Ah, oh, look at that little cute character. Okay, so if you press up, you move one unit. It twins you to that unit. Oh, look at the little door as well. Something really nice about that minimal style. Can you hold forward? Yeah, you can. Okay, so you move a minimum of one tile. Oh, what's that? I'm guessing... Oh, it's one of those, okay, where things, it's like a turn-based one almost. So it only moves when I move. So we take it in turns to do our moves. Uh-oh. I couldn't remember how far I was coming down then. That was good, a mild sense of peril. Yeah, that's awesome. So like Alex has been working on this. So you can see that's why we got this engine up here. He's been working on his own engine from scratch, so not using something like Unity or Unreal or Godot or GameMaker or whatever. That's super cool. I'd love to be able to do that. Well, actually, I'd love if I had the enthusiasm to do it. Making your own engine takes a lot of effort. But you learn a great bunch of stuff through doing so. So if you do have that motivation or enthusiasm for it, it's really worth it. And time, more importantly. Okay, let's go ahead and give some feedback on this. It's nice though. I really like the little animations on the character, and it just looked. It had a nice aesthetic to it with the colors and the pixel work. Let's jump to this. It was really great to get hands on your recent engine work, Alex. It's the overall aesthetic. Oh my god. Why have I forgotten how to spell aesthetic? Aesthetic? That's not, how would you spell it? Is it TH? Aesthetic, yeah. I started writing it like that and it just looked wrong. I realised the more you look at a word like that, it looks wrong and more wrong. Okay, the overall aesthetic was good. It was lovely. The colours used, the minimal style for the corridors. I like the animation. The character too. The mechanic of player and environment, enemy, taking their moves one turn at a time does make for interesting puzzle situations. I think it wasn't immediately obvious that was the mechanic due to the like tweening of the character one tile to another. However, I think this was a positive thing. Prefer this to instant teleport to next tile, like you see often in these games. Thanks a lot for taking part. Okay. Lovely. That's cool. And there was a comment about it as well. Learned that after you create an A-Sprite parser, it makes workflow much faster for iterating. Lovely. Yeah, so we worked on something where you could parse files straight from A-Sprite, I think it was, or from an A-Sprite file, and like input them into the engine or something, if I remember correctly. So that was one of the things he was working on. Lovely.